Hi everybody, I'm Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. So obviously I'm doing another natural hair video today, and this time I am showing you guys how I do my natural hair blowout. So I'm taking you from the wash, condition, and the blowout phase. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this flowy blowout, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after probably like a week of just wearing it in a low bun, like at the back of my head. I have not combed my hair in like several days. I've just been literally just brushing it back into a ponytail and putting some edge control and putting it in a bun. So this is literally what my hair usually looks like after I do something like that. It looks super crazy. It's very tangled, and yeah, I need to detangle my hair. I need to wash it. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys what I usually do when my hair starts to look like this. I'm getting ready to get in the shower and wash my hair. Usually what I do before I get in the shower to help with the detangling process is I wet my hair and then I put some type of oil on it. So today I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle and just start spraying my hair. I'm not going to get it soaking wet, but I do want it to be wet all over. And then of course with the water, we're gonna get some shrinkage immediately as my hair starts to revert super fast. So you can see it's already shrinking up on me and it's not even completely wet yet. So now that all of the hair is pretty much has some type of moisture on it, I'm gonna take this extra virgin olive oil and I'm just gonna start putting it on my hair, focusing mainly on the ends. You can see just that fast how much my hair has shrunken up, and it's going to get even shorter. This is why I pretty much 75% of the time wear my natural hair in a bun, because the shrinkage is so real. Okay. So now that I got the olive oil pretty much all over the ends, I'm just gonna separate my hair into two sections. So what I'm gonna do now is hop in the shower and wash my hair. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from the shower. It didn't take me too long to wash and condition my hair. I'm not gonna do a protein treatment or a deep condition because I've just been having a rough time today. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's a lot darker in here because it's now later in the day. Yeah, so it took me a while to do all this. So in the shower, I wash my hair with this Tresemme anti-breakage shampoo. It looks like this. I had the conditioner to go with this, but I ran out, so I just used this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Fortifying Conditioner, and it has vitamin E and argan oil in it. I just use this because this was the only conditioner that I had. It smells really good, but I usually would prefer to use the Herbal Essences or the Aussie Moist conditioner. Those two conditioners work the best for my hair, just personally. And then I use this t-shirt to pretty much dry my hair, and my hair is pretty much dry on the top. And as you can see, I have them in these two braids because when I took my sections down and detangled my hair, I put them in braids and then wash the conditioner out of my hair like this. So what I'm gonna do now is just, I'm gonna spray my hair with a little bit of water again so that I can put the leave-in conditioner on. And I'm not gonna get it soaking wet or anything. I just want it to be a little bit damp. I'm gonna take down one side. And so you can see the shrinkage is crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm just gonna take the leave-in that I use is the Giovanni Direct Leave-In Weightless Moisturizer. And I detangled my hair in the shower, but I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that it's very detangled so that when I blow dry my hair, I can do it very quickly. So I'm just going to section my hair now into 4 sections. Okay, so now that everything is detangled and moisturized, the last thing that I'm going to do is blow out my hair. So I'm going to grab my blow dryer and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my blow dryer. So first things first, before you use any hot tools on your hair, you need to have a heat protectant. And I always use a Tresemme heat protectant. This one is the Keratin Smooth Heat Protector with marula oil. I have probably like 5 different blow dryers and I don't really have a favorite one, but I always make sure to use a comb attachment with my blow dryer. So this time I'm going to use this comb attachment. I have different ones for the different styles of blow dryers that I have, but this is the blow dryer that I'm going to use today. I'm going to go ahead and get started. What I usually do is just go section by section. I will take the braids down from each section, spray the area with the heat protectant, and then I'll first start off with doing the tension method, and then once I get the hair kind of pulled out, then I'll go through with the actual comb attachment. And yeah, so you guys will see all of that, but just want to talk you through what I actually do because I'm going to go ahead and speed up the blow drying process for you guys so that you don't have to sit through the whole thing. All right, so here we go. So I'm finally finished with blow drying my hair. And this is what we have. So the blowout did pretty well. Of course the ends aren't as straight as they could be, but I am preparing my hair for a protective hairstyle anyway, so it's perfectly okay if the ends aren't straight. I just needed my hair to be blown out enough so that it would be a lot easier for me to do my protective style. So here are my final results. Okay, so I'm so glad that it's finally over. And as you can see, my hair has definitely gotten a lot longer. It looks super long just with this blowout. I'm so tired right now, so I'm gonna go to bed so that I can wake up early and do my protective style. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave your comments in the box below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching another video. See you next time.